A look at the opening lineup for the Houston Rockets. The pairing up front, Smith and Şengün. The guard spots are Van Vliet and Green. And it's Whitmore in at the 3, the small forward. And for Oklahoma City, the post pair form will be Williams and Holmgren. Wallace is out, and it's Dort in at the 3. And so off the tip, it's Oklahoma City. Bounce pass from Williams. Outside, Dort. Wallace outside. The pass to Williams. Just 5 on the clock. Bangs on the trifecta.
And that's exactly what he's looking for, draining the triple.
Van Vliet looking around. Pass to Şengün. Back to Van Vliet. Over Wallace. That shot no good. Now Oklahoma City takes it the other way. They won their last game against the Rockets in Houston. Here's Giddey. That one off the back iron and out.
It is a shame to see a high percentage look go to waste. He'll be hearing about this one in the locker room, I'm sure.
In the corner, it's Van Vliet. Pass to Whitmore. Pulls it up. Here's Şengün. First shot, first basket. He's out of the blocks fast.
Really strong rebounding on the interior, and he gets the easy putback.
Giddey the pass to Wallace. Back to Giddey. Feeds it to Holmgren. Şengün with the rebound.
Outstanding work to send him away. They sniffed that one out.
Substitution. And the Thunder going with the whole new group out there. Thompson outside. Houston moving the ball around. Brooks outside. 6 to shoot. Fires from deep. That shot is off. And the Thunder going the other way now. They've been looking out of sync offensively.
Yeah, their offense has ground to a standstill.
To the paint. Rockets leading by 8. Thompson surveying the floor. Şengün inside. And the layup falls. Şengün's got his second bucket tonight.
I like their focus coming in. Terrific execution so far.
Couldn't come up with a much better start than this. They just have to keep it going.
Williams.
Jalen Williams. Assist from number 85.
The Thunder coming to this one after the win against Houston. Pass to Thompson. There's the 3.
And they've come out with a take-no-prisoners approach on the glass here tonight, guys.
MP, he's covered by Eason. MP, again the Thunder score.
And you see the ability to rise and fire from mid-range, even against that length.
Hey, when you trust your shot like he does, it doesn't matter how much size you're giving up. He feels the mid-range in his territory.
Here's Şengün, the Thunder making the shot.
Oklahoma City foul. Number 85. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Inside, here's Thompson, and Thompson throws it down. Thunder trailing by 8. And Williams throws it down.
And maybe that'll trigger them. Impossible not to get pumped up after that.
Yeah, well, you could see the immediate reaction of the guys on the bench. They are pumped up. And so here is Houston, following the score by Oklahoma City. And there's the pass to Easton. Brooks with it. Clock at 6. Pass to Şengün. And the basket is good, and he's got a chance here for one more at the line.
Personal foul.
And the game plan is clear. Work the ball inside.
First trip to the free throw line for him tonight.
And he's there at 71 from the line this season, probably below where you'd like to see him.
The free throw dropped for Şengün. Thunder trailing by 9. And it's Williams finishing it off.
Absolutely the prettiest play in basketball, executed to perfection.
I don't think you'd get an argument there. Everybody loves the alley-oop. So it's the Rockets now, following the score by Oklahoma City. Pass to Brooks. Six on the shot clock, and he gets the whistle for the 3-second call. And it's Wiggins with the ball for the Thunder. 7-point differential.
2 minutes.
Down low.
Jalen Williams.
.152 left in the first quarter. Thompson outside. And so Houston again turning it over for him. .143 left to play here in the first. And they have certainly been looking locked in offensively.
They sure have, staying aggressive and playing under control.
The fadeaway, and Oklahoma City again with the bucket.
And you can expect him to make it when the D is trash like that.
Thompson outside. Passes it to Brooks. Şengün against Williams. And the call is going to be, yes, it is, an illegal screen. Kennard, he's checked in for Houston.
Luke Kennard.
Thunder trailing by 3. On the wing, Wiggins, stolen by Brooks. Now the pass to Kennard. Pass to Easton. 5 on the clock. From the stripe. Oklahoma City has gone 1 of 5 from downtown in the first quarter. Points out there have been hard to come by. And a missed layup. Houston leading by 3. The Rockets with another miss.
If he gets that look again, he should take it. You can't let one miss scare you off of a very good shot.
To the middle, here's...
And that assist will do it. He's #1 all time now.
This is going to be a season from him that will be talked about for years to come.
Timeout charge to Houston. Fans, please turn your attention to the Jumbotron as a record has been broken. Orlando Fields. The new record holder for the most assists in a season is... Look who's coming onto the court. It's your Thunder Girls. Give it up.
And the Thunder making a switch here.
Oklahoma City Dancers.
Wiggins against Thompson. And they pick up 2.
Amen.
Thompson's got his second basket of the game. And so it's Jalen Green making highlights for the Houston Rockets. He notched 8 points in the quarter and has that terrific basketball.
24. Fans, make some noise for your Oklahoma City
And some good
Dancers.
action in the books as we get back to the game that's been pretty close here so far. The post pair form will be Williams and Holmgren. Then there's Wallace, and it's Jang in at small forward. That's the lineup out there for the Thunder.
The contest and the rebound, folks. That is how you defend.
And he gets the whistle. 2 free throws coming up. The Rockets have been solid at the line so far. 4 for 4.
Team foul.
And it's been an average year, really, at the free throw line for this group. Only around 75%.
Good on the second free throw. Thunder trailing by 4. MP guarded by Green. The Rockets pull it in. They've led by as much as 10. They come into this one following a loss to the Thunder.
Yeah, for that loss, you can credit their defense or lack thereof. Too many breakdowns on that end of the floor.
Some of it was solid shooting from their opponent, but they didn't have any teeth with their defense. Need to be more active than they were.
And for Houston, they're shooting well. They're at 45%. Kicks it to Thompson. Pass to Kennard. And here is Green. Smith surveying the D. Shot clock at 5. Thompson's got 6.
It helps that Thompson can score with either hand close to the bucket. Defenders can't force him to one side or the other.
To the inside, Williams. And oh boy, a lot of contact there, but he gets the call and will shoot 2.
Clearly a foul.
He's getting his first free throw attempt of the night right now. The first one falls. Houston making a switch. Van Vliet's checked in, and he can't hit the second. Houston leading by 3. To the paint, here's Green. Yes, and it's Smith with the assist that time.
Assisted by.
And that's now 10 points for Jalen Green.
They should continue to get the ball inside. The defense struggling to contain them.
To the middle. We're now about 2 minutes into the second quarter. Outside, Green. Thompson against Jang. Pass to Whitmore. Over Williams. Here's Smith. And he's fouled pretty hard on that shot, but he's got the chance to pick up the points at the line.
Personal foul. Second.
Houston shooting their 7th and 8th attempts at the foul line tonight.
Jabari Smith taking 2 shots.
The first free throw is good. Dort, he's checked in for Jang. So it's the Thunder now, trailing by 5. And for those of you just joining us, we're almost 2.5 minutes into the second quarter. It's Dort on the wing. No good with the triple.
Having a hand up in your face makes such a difference to a shooter.
Yeah, that's a good defender making a play, and he does it without fouling.
Dort against Thompson. Shot clock at 6. Houston moving it around. Houston needs to get a shot off. The 3 ball. No good. So the Thunder will take it the other way. Down low, it's taken away by Smith. Oh, and a fast break for the Rockets. And the wing jumper offline. Thunder trailing by 5. MP covered by Van Vliet. MP fades away and sinks the tough shot. 8 points for him.
Why fade away there? Just making the shot more difficult, if you have to ask me.
Thompson outside. Van Vliet outside. Passes it to Thompson. The putback. It's good on the putback. For Oklahoma City, they've gone 50% from the floor in the second quarter, 3 of 6. MP covered by Van Vliet. "13 feet away." Again, the Thunder score. And so Van Vliet will bring it up for the Houston Rockets. Outside, Green. The pass to Thompson. Van Vliet outside. Here's Green. Just 5 to shoot. The shot. Thunder with the rebound.
Not really his best quarter as far as scoring. Let's see if he can eventually get back on track.
MP covered by Van Vliet. Houston in the lead. Now a timeout called by Houston.
To Houston. Which loudest section wants a t-shirt? All right, fans, get on your feet and make some noise for t-shirt time! Substitution on the court.
Smith for 3. Hits it from three-point range. And it's good off the back rim and in. And that does it for the first half of play. The Rockets on top, leading by 10. We'll see you after.
The Rockets, 52.
We play through. Thompson, he's checked in for the Rockets. The Thunder have gone 3 of 5 to start the second half, developing a nice rhythm out there. And so in the game for the Rockets. The guard spots are Van Vliet and Green. Whitmore is out there with Thompson. And it's Smith in at the 5, roaming the paint. We've gone about 3.5 minutes into the third now. Down low, here's Smith. And the rebound goes to the Thunder. MP covered by Van Vliet. And it's in there. 12 points for him.
Oh, great ball movement there.
Rockets leading by 7. Thompson outside. Pass to Green. Back to Thompson. 6 on the shot clock. And it's going to be out of bounds. The Rockets will retain possession.
Rockets ball.
Down to 5 on the shot clock. Can they get it?
Well, despite some uneven shooting from him, they're still out in front.
The Rockets again can't hit. Thunder trailing by 7. And there's the 8-second call as they can't get it across half court in time. And it's the Rockets with the ball. They've held a 12-point lead earlier. Green, the pass to Van Vliet. Smith trying to break loose. That's good from Van Vliet on the assist from Green. And the Rockets lead by 9. For Oklahoma City, they've gone 5 of 7 from the field in the third quarter. Let's see if they can keep it up. Great communication on the alley-oop.
The adjustments they've made offensively, they're putting guys in a position now to succeed.
But it took them a little while to get there. Just goes to show, as long as you persevere, you'll figure your way out.
Green against Wallace. Looking to end his cold spell. And that'll be 2 free throws coming up. Officials on the call with the foul.
Third personal foul.
And what do you guys think so far about the offensive approach for the Thunder?
Rockets. Amen Thompson at the line for 2.
No good on the second, so he hits 1 of 2. Thunder trailing by 8. To the paint. Here's Holmgren.
And attacking the rim. Holmgren making excellent use of that height inside.
And so Van Vliet will bring it up for the Houston Rockets. Thompson outside. Van Vliet outside. They kick it out to Green. The three-pointer no good. The Thunder have gone 7 of 9 from the field to start this second half. Some tremendous shooting from them. Inside. Holmgren gets the bucket. And now just a 4-point Houston lead. Here's Van Vliet. Steady offensive output from him, averaging more than 16 points a game. Here's Thompson. Now Whitmore. Here's Green. Good for basket number 6 from him in the contest. He's shooting 6 for 12.
Cameron Whitmore.
MP covered by Van Vliet.
No hesitation at all on the alley-oop. Saw his teammate with a pat to the hoop and bang, lobbed it right up there for him to finish.
You look at the Thunder. And, of course, there's the Rockets.
And seeing where the Rockets are,
Yeah, it's frustrating everyone, the players, the coaches, the fan. There was this idea that they might struggle, but I think the reality is starting to set in.
To the inside, Jang. Williams trying to break free.
they are just killing them on the interior.
Houston's. And the pass to Kennard. To the left wing. And too much time in the lane. They get called for the 3-second violation.
Oklahoma City ball.
The Thunder shoot. He lobs up the alley-oop pass.
And how about the incredible timing on that alley-oop?
He absolutely hammered it down. Rockets trail. Thompson outside. Now here's Kennard. He's tightly guarded. Tries again. Trying to get open is Brooks. He can't get that one. Now the Thunder with it. Stolen by Brooks. All alone. Flushes it down to finish the break. And here now the Thunder. Kicks it out to Wiggins. Shot clock at 6. The fader. Again, Oklahoma City. Pass to Kennard. Pass to Thompson. Shot from the top of the key. He clangs that one off the back iron, and down it falls. Thompson's for Houston. 1:51 left to play in the third. And there's the call. It's going to be an illegal screen. And the Rockets making a change here. Şengün's checked in. Houston's. Thompson outside. Passes it to Brooks. Now, here's Şengün. The pass to Brooks. Here's the three. The rebound by Jang. And here now the Thunder. And stolen by Şengün. Thompson's got 7 now in this quarter.
You gotta love his hustle, leaving the defense no time to react.
And all of a sudden, that man was just on the other end. Wow.
Yes, that goes in.
Assisted, Aaron Wiggins.
And for Houston, they're shooting 39% from the floor since the half. Not really what they had in mind. Pass to Eason. Houston moving it around. Here's Şengün. The Thunder shoot. Wiggins against Brooks. Two free throws coming up, and they call the shooting foul. This is his first free throw of the game.
And he's been terrific, guys. I mean,
substitution on the court.
MP covered by Van Vliet. Oh, and there's the alley-oop, and it's blocked, but they'll get another chance. Dort, the Thunder with another miss. Rockets leading by 4. Dort and Williams up in the forward positions. Then it's Chet Holmgren. Then there's Wallace. That's the lineup in the game for Oklahoma City. And the officials calling for a 3-second violation. And so it's Dort with it. He brings it up for Oklahoma City. They've allowed just 7 points here in the fourth quarter. Wallace outside. MP guarded by Green. MP and dead on that time. Beautiful shot. He's got 22.
nice play call there. Down the stretch, getting him the open look.
And late in games, throw out those analytics. Give me the mid-range. The shot, it just works.
Back to Eason. Green deciding where to go with it. And here's Van Vliet from the arc.
Not his best game, but they're still getting it done collectively.
Here's Williams.
That makes 15 assists.
He's been one step ahead of the defense all game long. And here is Green. Pass to Eason. Green with the ball. Şengün passes to Eason. Back to Şengün. And the rejection by Holmgren. MP covered by Van Vliet. To take the lead, knocks down the 3 ball. And the Thunder lead by 3.
And those are the types of shots down the stretch that win you ball games.
Houston's gotten some tough luck from three-point range. In the fourth quarter, they've hit just 1 of 6 from deep. Şengün passes to Eason. Can they get it? The shot missing. The Thunder leading by 3. MP. And the shot goes in.
Oh, it looks like somebody came out this half on a mission. And his intensity on offense, it's been fun to watch.
And for Houston, they're guys, they're looking for a way to score here.
Yeah, they've had a tough time taking the lid off.
Here's Eason. Just 5 on the clock. Passes it to Green. The tray. The Rockets with another miss.
Well defended that time. He's a shooter that the D has to close down on quickly when he's ready to pull the trigger.
And he lobs it up.
Nice play, and you can see they're gathering momentum.
Yeah, but they can't relax. They've got to keep building on this lead because it is not safe.
Rockets trail by 7. Outside, Green. There's the pass to Eason. Trying to find Şengün. He gets it to him.
This is snowballing for them. They've got to get a good look next time down.
MP covered by Van Vliet. It's Dort on the wing. The kick out to Williams. Over Smith.
And smothered him on that mid-range attempt.
That's how you play it. Does a good job of getting into the shooter's airspace.
The Thunder leading by 7. To the middle. Here's Williams. Well-timed pass, and he goes straight to the bucket for the layup. And the Rockets with possession here. Van Vliet passes to Green. Dort against Eason. Shot clock at 5 to end the drought. It's rebounded by Oklahoma City. Holmgren's got the glass covered here tonight. 11 boards for him. Inside. Rockets trail by 11. Timeout called, the Rockets.
And he could tell his guys were dragging a little bit, calling timeout to kind of let them catch their breath.
Hey fans, who wants a free t-shirt? Make some noise!
For Wallace. And then for Houston. Okay, well, let's check in with David Aldridge, who's reporting from the sidelines.
Hey guys, well, during the break I was able to catch the message Houston's coach gave to his team. He was not happy with their play. He told them, we're getting outworked out there. Simple as that. We got to dial up our effort. Kevin, we'll see if they have enough to get it done.
Thank you, David. And out of bounds as the Rockets gain possession. Van Vliet outside. Şengün trying to free himself up. The Rockets again can't hit, and it's Oklahoma City's ball. They're rolling here on a 15-point run, and they call an illegal screen here.
Beyond the leaning, you could see his feet more set on that screen. Easy call.
Look, guys get away with this all the time, but on this occasion, he got caught.
Van Vliet outside. Out to Thompson. Back to Van Vliet. Rebound by Williams. Got 6 rebounds now in the game.
2 minutes.
MP covered by Van Vliet. The chemistry he has with his guys is impressive.
Keeping his head on a swivel, actively seeking out his teammates.
And so Van Vliet will bring it up for the Rockets. Trailing by 13. Fires for 3. It's good from long range.
By the Thunder.
3 points.
1:41 left in the fourth quarter. To the paint. The Rockets pull it in. Smith's got 11 rebounds in the game. And Van Vliet, here we go. There's the dish to Smith. That falls. Great assist by Van Vliet. Van Vliet's the Thunder leading by 8. MP covered by Van Vliet. And that's his 20th assist. Wow.
Just doing a great job at orchestrating the offense.
Here's Van Vliet. 1:06 left in the fourth. They double-team Van Vliet. Pass to Thompson. Shot, high post. Thunder with the rebound.
Guys, I think this is a game they have to feel good about as we wind through the final moments here in what looks to be a solid win for the Thunder.
I think the attitude was very impressive. Definitely a competitive game, and they fought through it each step of the way.
Absolutely. They put on a tremendous performance in terms of the effort and intensity. This was a well-deserved win.
And the wins continue to come in fairly easy for these guys in what's been a very strong year, to say the least. Tonight will push them up to 56 wins.
And they've taken control of the season series. This brings them to 2-0 with 1 game left against this squad.
And he lobs it up toward the rim. Stolen by Brooks. Pass to Thompson. Now Şengün, defended by Holmgren.
And it's still a rare sight to see rebound numbers like the ones he's had tonight.
He is totally in the zone, showing his incredible focus when it comes to attacking the glass.
So no problem for Oklahoma City as they get the win. Even early on in this one, it seemed like they were happy to be playing at home tonight.
And it makes a big difference. Once they started to really play in rhythm, you never felt like they had any doubts as to whether or not they were going to win.
And now we'll send it over to David Aldridge, who is standing by courtside. David.
Yeah, and his performance has been a jaw-dropper. He must have been feeling great coming into the building tonight, because once he hit the court, it was all working for him. He was in a zone.
The better he played, the more these fans got revved up, and that continued to play out over the course of his amazing performance.